This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make funnel cake with flour using an easy method. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 large eggs, and 1½ cups of milk. Finally, have 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and enough vegetable oil for frying. Now, let's prepare the batter. In a large bowl, whisk together your 2 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, beat the 2 eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until you have a smooth batter without lumps. It's time to fry. Heat 2 to 3 inches of vegetable oil in a large, deep pan to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully pour the batter through a funnel into the hot oil, moving in a circular motion to create a classic funnel cake shape. Fry each side for 1 to 2 minutes, or until it's beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use tongs to carefully flip and remove. Once your funnel cakes are fried, place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. This helps keep them perfectly crispy. Now for the best part, dust them generously with powdered sugar or add your favorite toppings like fruit or whipped cream. They're best enjoyed warm. For more great kitchen finds and to make meal prep easy, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.